Thank you so much. I'm about the Israel Great. Just take a look at a very important, striking, direct advice Peter Obi gave to Tinubu.
And everything all over the world. It's a question of the leadership has to show it. You have to start by saying, my name is Peter Obi. I'm from this town. I went to this primary school, this secondary school, this university. I think it must. And we must do it and say, this is who we are. Because that's what makes us. Nobody said you must be anything. No. We have had leaders all over the world that didn't go to school. Just say, this is who I am. These are my parents. These are my so we will do that.
Just present yourself the way you are. Don't need to claim you are this, you are that. You can be a leader without being a graduate. The Constitution made it very simple. The Constitution made it very simple. You don't even need to be a degree holder for you to be a president of Nigeria. So why not present yourself the way you are? Why do you need to go and have the issue of a Chicago certificate saga? We don't need those controversies. Present yourself the way you are. Very simple advice of Peter Obi to Tinubu. Let us share this video. The world need to hear that advice. Thank you and God bless you.